morning.
No, yeah.
Okay, good morning. We are going to make Eliseo's breakfast smoothie. You want to see what we use? Here we go, Eliseo. Let's show them.
No.
Ready? What do we have here?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay, I will help him do it. So, we have about a cup or a cup and a half of almond milk. What do we put in next?
Banana.
Okay.
Everybody knows that.
What's next?
This just
What is that called?
cocoa.
Cocoa? We do a tablespoon or more.
That was not my fault.
Okay.
You guys did not see that. Alright. Now I'm going to draw a spoon out of nowhere. Magic. Alright, squirt this out.
What is that?
Peanut butter.
We have about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Can I eat this spoon right here or no?
Sure.
Thanks.
Well, wait, not, okay, that's fine. Okay, what is next? What else do we have to put in? What is this?
Kids fundamentals.
Make sure it all gets in there. Okay, and then you've got your kids' fundamentals. That's your probiotics, your prebiotics, and your phytobiotics for the day. And finally,
Ice.
ice. Let's blend that puppy up.
Puppy. You know I'm gonna wish for my
We love this
birthday.
mixer too.
I'm gonna
I
wish
got it with
for
a
a
bunch of
puppy.
points.
I'm gonna wish for a puppy for
All
my
right.
birthday.
Push your button.
It's not even working.
Thank you. Okay, that was nice and loud. Ready? Go grab your spoon, or I'm sorry, your straw. Or here, take a sip and tell them how it tastes.
Okay, I will.
So almond milk, banana, peanut butter, cocoa, some ice with the kids' fundamentals. How does it taste, Eliseo?
One minute.
It's okay. We'll do that in just a second.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and take a drink. How does it taste?
I think you need more peanut butter.
Think we need more peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put in some more peanut butter. Good morning.
Good morning.
I hope your breakfast is as good as ours.
Yeah, and that was very embarrassing, so
Goodbye.
please stop the video. Very